Have you ever heard of a slaughter?
I oughta start dipping, sipping on that ST gets me to tripping. I don't slips, I bangs with that mad ass dog pound gang. It's a DPG thing. Corrupt from the SC. You wanna test?
When you gonna put me up in one of your videos or something? You know I can still get in. Check this out.
Welcome back to another episode of Rose and Gold. I'm your host, IK, and this is my lovely co-host, Dr. Ross.
Hello, everyone.
We are back in Dallas, Texas, the home of the Dallas Stars, the Mavericks, the football team, the Cowboys, as you know them.
The baseball, the hockey, and let's get straight into these hot topics. But before we do, let's go ahead and mention our She's Hot winner.
Because tonight is the night for the She's Hot contest. Our winner is Miss Zara Elise.
Congratulations, Miss Zara Elise. She is a force to be reckoned with, a gorilla, not in the shape, but in the fierceness. And she has 2 million followers on Instagram. Kim Kardashian, watch out, because you know Kanye, if he finds out about this, he's gonna start lurking around and start dating her next.
She has 2 million followers, but she's looking for 2 million more.
Exactly.
And she's rising up in the rankings. I'd love to take you out on a date, Miss Elise. Take you out for lunch, brunch, or dinner in Beverly Hills, Los Angeles. I know you're one of the angels, other than Kylie Jenner. But let's talk a little bit about Miss Elise. Miss Elise is an American model and social media influencer. With 2 million followers, she is surely a massive hit on Instagram. She is most popularly known for her Instagram feed, where she regularly posts photos of herself flaunting her hourglass figure in some ultra glamorous outfits.
Thicker than a Snicker, that's what her next caption should be. Let's get, and once again, before we get into these hot topics, congratulations, Miss Zara Elise. Congratulations, congratulations.
We will be sending you an email and sending you a direct message on Instagram. Congratulations on your win.
And the whole Rasta family, we want to thank you too, because the Rasta cast and the Rasta family, you have made this winner who she is today, the She's Hot winner of this week, because all the votes have came in all around the world, all the submissions. Thank you, Rasta family.
And I want to just add this in, Dr. Ross. We would love for you to be a model for the Jamaican clothing. We're going to be sharing some photos soon, and it'll be in some of the stores near you, so stay tuned for that.
Exactly. We have a new hood coming out that can be changed into multiple different outfits, but we're not going to say too much on that. But let's get into these hot topics. So, IK, we were watching The Reel today, and Jeannie Mai, you know how she was speaking on her relationship with Mr. Snowman?
Jeezy.
Yes, and she said, now I don't know if the wedding was just so amazing that she couldn't get enough of it, but she says that she wants to have more than one wedding, and they're going to put their wedding rings on their pinky finger, on the rest of their fingers, instead of the main ring finger. What are your thoughts, IK?
Jeannie Mai is trying to do too much. This is a thumbs down for me. And young Jeezy, we had you in one of our original videos. We'll put the clip right here. So we still love you, but Jeezy, just stop. Put the ring on the regular way.
Welcome to my show, motherfuckers. Rose and gold. Because I love roses, and I love myself a bit of gold. AKA, I'm the Black King Sebastian. And I'm here also with my co-host, Dr. Ross today.
Let's move into our next hot topic.
Before we get into our next hot topic, only thing I want to say about this briefly is that, no offense, but Mr. Snowman's sister must have been feeding her too much shrimp and gravy, and now it's gone to her head. So let's get into our next hot topic. Blake Shelton says he's excited for Ariana Grande to be the next judge on The Voice so that he can have another person to beat.
The Voice is a great show, and Blake, who knows, Ariana Grande might end up beating you on this one. And we've worked with Ariana Grande. She's a great woman.
That's right. IK was in a music video with Miss Ariana Grande and Mr. 2 Chainz, where he was just smoking up the building.
Exactly. But one thing I have to say about The Voice, the UK voice is better to me.
Exactly. But let's get into our next and final hot topic, because this one's going to be our last one. You know what, IK, I'm tired. I'm really tired of these women, no offense. Women, I'm tired of you guys thinking that these celebrities on the internet, you're getting catfished by them. You need to stop. There was actually an Indian lawyer that thought she was dating Prince Harry, and she got scammed out of a lot of money, and now she's trying to sue Prince Harry and say that he needs to be arrested because someone else catfished her.
Now, Dr. Ross, one thing I gotta stop you with right here. First of all, if you fell for that, it's bad.
Exactly. Second
of all, we all know that most likely she probably went on the internet and made something up. Because we all know what she's looking for.
The cashola. That's right. Let's close off these hot topics, I guess.
Sit down, ma'am.
Exactly.
These were all of our hot topics, and we'll catch you guys on the next installment.
Before we close-
Stay tuned for the Jamaican clothing line coming up, and make sure to get yourself a bottle of the Jamaican shampoo.
That's right.
It sells itself. Kylie Jenner, that's for you. We'll see you in LA, baby.
Exactly.
And for Ms. Zara Elise, we want to congratulate you on winning the She's Hot contest.
Congratulations on your win.
We will keep in contact with you very soon. Or
Another
very
star
shortly.
to add to our list of She's Hot winners.
Exactly. We out.